going to the airport today.
Airport? I'm not going to the airport.
I mean, I'm at the airport today. So we'll see where we're going in a few seconds. Let's go!
One eternity later.
Hello, everyone watching. Hello. So today we're in Toronto, Canada. We're staying at Hyatt Place and it seems very nice so far. We landed, it's raining outside, so it's kind of cold. Right now it's about 10:50 p.m. We have a lot of stuff planned for tomorrow. And so stay tuned for fun stuff for tomorrow. It's gonna rain, so don't expect much, but stay tuned. Okay, see you in a bit. If you see something, say something. So we're having lunch at this place called Roll Sun. It's apparently popular with the college crowd. It's dim sum, so we're excited because dim sum. Yes, Frutio. Tell us the weather, Josh.
Well, we have a forecast of very wet, followed by very windy, and then mixed together. We got lost at Union Station. We're gonna call it a day soon, but first we have to get some banh mi. So, yes, banh mi.
Okay. We just got back from
Our adventures.
Yeah, our adventure in Toronto. We came back with some stuff for dinner. We got some custard from St. Lawrence's Market, some pocky from Miniso, and water.
And some banh mi.
And we got some banh mi's. Josh got the pork skin.
That's a new one for me.
And I don't remember, barbecue pork.
Yes.
I got barbecue pork. So,
Some spring rolls.
and also, yeah, spring rolls.
We're not mukbanging, are we?
We are not mukbanging, so. Okay, we're gonna eat, and we'll see you guys next time. Maybe at the airport.
Yeah.
Airport.
I'm going to the airport.
See you guys.